business, I don't need a light to get it poppin'. But these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, my
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing okay because I'm doing fine. If it's your first time being here, welcome. I hope you enjoy the video enough to even stay. So I just came back from class and I am gonna deep clean my room. The last time I deep cleaned my room was in Feb, and that's like That's like 3 months ago, right? So the past months I've just been cleaning open spaces and obviously washing my blankets monthly. But today I'm gonna be washing my blankets, my mat, deep cleaning, like moving things and vacuuming where I normally don't vacuum because I feel like I need a reset, you know? I just want the room to be clean in every corner. It's been 3 months. So now I think I'm just gonna take out the blankets and then go put them in the laundry. If you don't follow me on TikTok and Instagram, please go follow me. Please like the video, leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. No crib, talk to come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my pants size, cause the niggas try breaking it. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shroom to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
Served Commander Water for many years. He wasn't perfect.
I don't need a light to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business cut me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You honestly, I'm the lowest of the lowest, but then you can keep it like nobody knows it. Get the fuck out my space. The basement's on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Cause I didn't do bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite hoe. How to reach me every time that it pays you right. But committed a crime. Way over long, no sacred spot. I can't be outside cause I'm not against the plan. Am I your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. So, I'm out the loop, I'm out of range. I don't need a light to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even I don't see I'm the lowest of the lowest, but I see you can keep it like nobody knows shit. Even I don't see I'm the lowest of the lowest, but I see you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I get bored. Fucking, we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk, but he don't match up with. So strong with every whatever you need. Don't call me. I don't need a light to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even I don't see I'm the lowest of the lowest, but I think you can keep it like nobody knows. Even I don't see I'm the lowest of the lowest, but I think you can keep it like nobody knows it.
Real shit.
almost done, you guys, and the mat is really clean and I am happy. Like, the room smells so clean, like it smells like very clean. The dryer is not working anymore, so that's why I hanged my thingies, my blanket outside. I also hanged the other one, but yeah, I think I'll just go get them later on. And about the mat, I don't think I want to put the mat on anymore. It's old, that mat. I don't like how it looks anymore, and I just wanna like see how I'm gonna feel staying in the room without an extra mat, like with just this one, because it makes the cleaning also like difficult, because when I clean I have to take that one off and clean, so it's gonna be easy to just clean this one if I get rid of that one, because it's old. I didn't want to get rid of it because I'm not ready, but I think I'll just put it nicely somewhere else, like just pack it somewhere and then use it maybe when I'm going to a picnic or something. Yeah, for now I'm just gonna leave it. I'll show you guys how the room looks once I get the thing is, once I get the blankets from the washing line and then putting them back. I'll show you guys the final look. I hope you guys are still fine, and if you're still watching till this far, I hope you're enjoying it. And yeah, now I'm just gonna relax, watch. I'm watching a show called The Handmaid's Tale, and oh my gosh, it's so nice. Like, I've been enjoying it, and I'm on season 5 right now, and I don't want it to end. But yeah, I'm just gonna watch this thing and then wait for my blankets to dry. I'm so happy. Like, I know that tonight I'm gonna sleep in a room that smells so good, and I'm gonna sleep with blankets that smells like Stay Soft. And then I'm gonna shower and then like clean on clean. Do you guys know that feeling? Like when the blankets are freshly washed and they smell Stay Soft, and you just got out of the shower. Like, it's like,
my name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy, and you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a berry. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy, and you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a berry. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty, and if you know it too, then baby, sing it with me. Oh, I don't leave when I walk in. Don't question that this girl's a 10. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. My walk, my talk, the way I trip, it's not my fault, so please don't trip. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful.
They love that thing, but all the bad model girls, they love the thing. You need to check my swag, get up to date. Check my swag, get up to date. Cause when we cut, I'm razor later. I'm so laser, I'm so major, I'm so flavor, I'm so flavor. Baby, I should have a clock on. How you get your pretty girl rock on? But all my girls from Atlanta, out to Stockholm. And they looking like, what the hell you got on? Stretch your name, baby girl, I got home. Get the grits, whips, and I'm feeling like a T6 fly. My swag, get them ladies unknowingly. Please the beat, baby, so let you know with me. Back when I was going to my property. I tell you, I know for me, you're in she go with me. The only thing I need to know right now is what a pretty girl like you doing in this part of town. With a city girl swag and a country girl style. I mean, you demoralize to town. Wow. Well, how about now? My jewelry's so loud, my girl's so wild. I mean, my swag's so bad. I guess that's the reason all the cops are so bad.
Catch me on spot, cameras flashing. Then he turn his head just as soon as I pass him. Girls think I can see cause I know I'm attractive. Don't worry about what I think, why don't you ask him? Talk together. that I don't hate. Jealousy the ugliest trait. I can talk about it 'cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then ladies, take it with me. Don't hate when I walk in. Don't question that this girl's attention. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. I'm on my top the way I trip. It's not my fault, so please don't trip. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. You don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate when I walk in. Don't question that this girl's attention. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate her 'cause I'm beautiful. I'm on my top the way I trip. It's not my fault, so please don't trip. You don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. You don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. You the pretty girl, you the pretty girl,
Do your pretty girl rock for me? Do your pretty girl do your pretty girl rock for me? Do your pretty girl rock for me? Do the pretty girl rock for me? Do your pretty girl rock for me? Do your pretty girl rock for me? Do the pretty girl rock for me? Do the pretty girl rock for me? Do your pretty girl rock for me? Do your pretty girl rock for me? Do the pretty girl rock for me? Do the pretty girl.